Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create messenger group. So what you're gonna have to do, you will have to just open the messenger app on this Android device. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to click to the top right corner this pencil icon, and there is the group chat. So you will add it from there. So I will add the example like 2 persons of group. So you can also select it from here, the members of group, and click to create. So it will be create the group. You can see, you can also change the name of group. So I will randomly name of this group, I will write friends. So I will click to save it, and you can also add member from there, and you can see the member from there, how many members are in there. So this is how to create group on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified for more videos.